Ever tried cleaning your ears only to end up frustrated with the same old methods? Let's face it, traditional ear cleaning just doesn't cut it anymore. But what if I told you there's a smarter, safer, and more effective way to do it? Today, we're diving into the future of ear care with 3 amazing tools that you can find on Amazon. Trust me, you'll never look at ear cleaning the same way again. Stick around to find out which one is the perfect fit for you. Let's kick things off with the Earwax Removal Tool Camera. This is like having a high-tech gadget straight out of a spy movie. With its 1296p HD camera, 360/U00B0 wide-angle view, and 6 adjustable LED lights, you'll get crystal-clear visuals of your ear canal. It even doubles as a mini exploration tool for checking teeth, nose, or facial areas. Plus, it's lightweight, portable, and easy to clean. Next, we have the Earwax Removal, a more budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Featuring a 1080p HD camera and customizable ear scoops, it's perfect for precision cleaning. And get this, it has a 90-minute battery life and a standby time of up to 30 days. That's perfect if you want a tool that's ready whenever you need it. Plus, its waterproof design makes cleaning up a breeze. And last but definitely not least, the Bird Earsight Plus Ear. This one's a game changer. It's designed for families, offering painless tweezers for sensitive ears and 4 types of ear scoop tips for wet or dry earwax. It even includes a bonus inspection tool set, so you can check ears, teeth, nose, and more. Safety is a top priority here, thanks to its safety stopper and precision scale to prevent overinsertion. Now, let's sum it up. If you're all about HD visuals and portability, go for the Earwax Removal Tool Camera. Looking for longer battery life and budget-friendly performance? The Earwax Removal has you covered. And if you need an all-in-one tool for the whole family, the Bird Earsight Plus Ear is the ultimate choice. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you've tried any of these tools, share your experience, we'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.